guys, it's Jane again. So tonight I'm gonna be making chicken katsu curry for my family for dinner. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make it because it's really simple and easy. Like seriously, anybody can make it. Like you don't have to be some master chef for it to taste good or whatever. Like I can't really cook, and if I can make it, like seriously anybody can do it. So I'm gonna show you what I did, and hopefully you try to make it too or something. Okay, so that's all for this video, and as you can see, it's really simple. Like you probably can't really mess the curry up because it's already pre-made, like kind of pre-made, so you don't really have to do much except add in like the potatoes, carrots and onions. And even though it might be pre-made and everything, when I was actually working in Melbourne, this was actually how they made like their chicken katsu curry like in the Japanese restaurants I was working at. So I was just like, what the heck, seriously? I thought they had like all these like secret ingredients and stuff like that, like, you know. But no, I didn't learn this from the Japanese restaurants I was working at. I'm not like trying to steal the recipe or anything, because my sister actually taught me how to make this, because she is the real chef in the family. She cooks really well and it looks really good. So if you want to follow her, you can check out her Instagram. So yeah, try this recipe out because it's really simple and it doesn't taste too bad. Like, I think it kind of tastes similar to what you can get in the restaurants. Like, there's not much difference in my opinion. So try it out because you can just save your money. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye!